Hello and welcome to this free flow, a blend of meridian tapping plus Qigong to feel magnetic. So zero in on one specific thing you are trying to call into your life and let's become a magnet for it. Starting with tapping, starting on the inner eye. I am a magnet. Outer eye, attracting this dream. Under eye, so I choose to let go of control. Upper lip, the need to force or push. Chin, and I allow this dream to flow to me. Collarbone, like a magnet, pulling it closer and closer. Side of the body, while I remain calm and relaxed. Top of the head, I surrender, knowing that it will come. Squeezing the wrist, 3-finger width down, deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose. And exhaling out through the mouth. Doing a little stretching to open up our body, hands to the side in cactus pose, curling in and opening up, expanding the chest, the heart, the lungs. Inhale as you open up, exhale as you come forward, curling and rounding at the back. Focus on expanding, growing, elbows down to really get a nice stretch. Rounding at the back to get a nice stretch throughout the spine. And we'll add a rotation coming down, opening to one side, doesn't matter which one, back to center, and opening to the opposite side. Acting like a pump, getting our blood flowing, our energy flowing, also getting a nice squeeze to all our internal organs. And of course, always listening to your body. Don't push it too hard, but feel a nice stretch as you make a rotation. So keeping your legs nice and grounded into the earth and rotating from the waist. One more on each side, inhaling and opening, exhaling as you come in, and inhaling and opening. Back to the center, and allow your arms to float down. You can give yourself a nice little shake after that one. And coming into a little bit of release work, coming up on your toes, exhale as you swing your arms up and slam down on your feet. So using your breath, so inhale up, exhale through the mouth like a ha as you come down. Breath is a powerful tool for letting go, which is a lot of times the reason why our dreams aren't here yet, is we hold on too tightly. So letting it go, becoming that magnet that attracts what you want. And settling back into the body. Stand here for just a moment. Just feel into everything. Now that everything's open, things might be moving around and buzzy. Just feeling into it and allowing your breath to just regulate itself. And bringing your hands up like you're holding a small ball right at your waist. Rotating from the hips, one hand goes back and the other goes forward, gliding over top of each other as you rotate to the other side. And once you get the movement down, you can pair with your breath. You can inhale as you open. Exhale back to center. Inhale, open, opposite side. Always flowing with your breath and letting your breath guide the movement. Palms face up as you turn, really getting a stretch throughout our heart meridian and opening up our physical heart itself as we stretch to the side. When we open our heart, we're opening up the feelings of gratitude and joy and love, all emotions that get us in a place where we are ready to receive, where we're a magnet to receive. One more time on each side, inhaling as you open, exhale as you switch sides, and inhaling as you open. Back to center, and allow your arms to float down. Inhale, scooping arms up, and exhale, slowly pushing down. Bringing your hands, one at your chest, one at your lower dantian. Top hand pushes down, bottom hand pulls up. You're going to rotate this like a wheel, one hand up, the next down. Palm faces up as it pulls up, and palm faces down as it pushes down. You can stay like this, or you can add some movement with your legs, rising up and sinking down. So choosing a hand that you want to rise and sink with. So inhale as you come up, and exhaling as you push down. Soft, slight bend in the knees. Option 2 is to rotate from the waist, allowing one hand to kind of guide the movement, pushing down, rotating from the waist, nice and slow. Switching sides as you push down and rotate to the opposite side. Pairing with your breath, inhale as you turn, and exhale as you go the opposite direction. Focusing on your breath, allowing your breath to lead the movement. Not hyper stressing on it looking perfectly, but instead just allowing your body to move like it's flowing through water. Pushing one hand up, the other down. You can bring your attention and awareness to the center of your palm. This is the Lao Gong point. It helps to ease anxiety, to comfort the heart, to allow negative emotions to stay out while allowing happy, good emotions to come in. So it's almost like a gatekeeper. Get into your flow, breath, intention. And finishing up, pushing as you come back to center, allowing your arms to come down by your side. Feeling into your body for a moment. Inhale as you pull up, exhale pushing down, scooping up around, arms floating down the center of the body. Inhale, scooping up, exhale down. One more time, gathering and pulling that through the body. Finishing up with a rounded tapping, starting on the inner eye. I am a magnet. Outer eye, and I attract the stream. Under eye, easily and effortlessly. Upper lip, I watch it flow into my life. Chin, and I feel grateful. Collarbone, I feel joy and love. Side of the body, I feel proud. Top of the head, I am a magnet for this dream. And I am grateful how easily it flows into my life. And tapping your wrists together, taking a deep breath in through the nose and a sigh out through the mouth. One more time, deep breath in through the nose and a sigh out through the mouth. Give yourself a little shake. Standing here for a moment, closing your eyes and visualizing this specific dream that you've been working towards. Visualize it coming into your space, where you are, what you're wearing, how you look. And allow those emotions to bubble to the surface. Perhaps it's joy, excitement. Perhaps you feel just really proud of yourself. Maybe it's love and safety. But stepping into it like you're watching a clip or a movie of your life. And slowly opening your eyes, placing your hands on your lower pelvic bone, pulling up all the way through the center of the body to the bottom of your chin, locking in all that goodness, giving yourself a little shake. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know about your experience after in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week.